Welcome to Barlinks News. I'm Jennifer Ogba, bringing you premium update from the Nigerian bar and the legal world. A severe institutional crisis has unfolded in Imo State following a public fallout between the state executive and the Eastern Bar Forum during its quarterly meeting in Owerri last weekend. The friction began when Imo State Attorney General Paul Obinatu Esquire directed the legal community to withdraw its invitation to acting Chief Judge Honorable Justice Uwakwe, declaring the office vacant. These directives stood in direct defiance of the National Judicial Council, which has already extended her acting tenure through September 2026. When the NBA-EBF chose to recognize the acting Chief Judge, the Imo State government abruptly withdrew its sponsored hotel venue and cancelled a state-hosted dinner. The last-minute sabotage forced organizers to scramble and relocate the summit to the Villa Garden Hotel along State House of Assembly Road, Owerri. Legal activists and bar leader Chinedu Agu and other senior barmen have strongly condemned the government action, calling it an aggressive executive overreach that severely threatens judicial independence in the state. Meanwhile, the Independent Committee of the Nigerian Bar Association has officially finalized the National Voters Register, clearing exactly 82,230 lawyers across 139 branches to vote in the upcoming national election, scheduled for Saturday, July 18, 2026. Following the conclusion of a nationwide mock e-voting exercise and system audit, the committee confirmed that no further addition or deletion will be allowed. Campaign activities are set to wrap up on July 17th ahead of the electronic voting platform opening at midnight on Election Day. Preparation is also hitting full stride across the country for the upcoming International Bar Association Annual Conference 2026. A massive contingent of Nigerian legal practitioners is expected to attend the Global Summit, following the official close of the heavily subsidized 40% early bid registration window on July 10th. The conference stands as a premier international gathering for networking, cross-border legal dialogue, and updates on global regulatory framework.
My name is Professor Uwakwe Abugu. I am the Dean of Law, University of Abuja, and I'm particularly a professor of medical law and ethics. Well, thank you very much. You know, the inaugural lecture is the culmination of a professor's academic endeavor. It's an opportunity for him to come and showcase himself that this is the result of my academic research and endeavor. So the inaugural lecture will give me the opportunity to tell the whole world that this is what I've been doing all my life, and this is how I have touched life, and this is how I have contributed to national development. It's coming up on the 30th of July this year, and of course, I'll have the since I am a professor of medical law and ethics, my inaugural lecture is certainly going to be in the area of medical law and ethics. It will give me the opportunity to talk to the world and to talk to the whole university community on what I have done in order to alleviate the suffering of the average patient in Nigeria. The Nigerian patient is in a very awkward situation, in the sense that the patient himself doesn't know his rights. Even those who are treating the patient don't know that the patient have rights. Even those who know their rights are encumbered by economic problem, or also encumbered by cultural inertia and lack of awareness. The Nigerian patient is the most troubled and most lowly rated patients almost in the whole wide world, and that is why I have taken the liberty in this my inaugural lecture to consider how we can restore the dignity of the patient. And I want to use the opportunity to invite everybody in Nigeria, because all of us are involved. Because whether you are a patient today, or whether you have been a patient yesterday, or whether you will be a patient tomorrow, all of us are potential patients. So it will be the first inaugural lecture in the area of medical law and ethics. And it will be the first inaugural lecture in Faculty of Law, University of Abuja. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Welcome back. In a massive win for public interest advocacy, the National Industrial Court in Abuja has delivered a landmark judgment in a suit filed by the NBA Section on Public Interest and Development Law. The court officially declared the police officers who are lawyers but have not been formally upgraded to legal officers cannot perform corporate or civil legal duties within the Nigerian police force. Crucially, the court also ordered the Inspector General of Police to enforce compliance by deploying at least one fully qualified legal officer to every single police division across Nigeria to improve human rights monitoring. Finally, Nigeria's legal and financial sector are currently locked in intense debate regarding the transition to the Landmark Tax Act 2025. Legal experts and corporate taxpayers are raising critical constitutional questions after the Nigerian Revenue Service issued transition guidelines. The core legal dispute centers on whether newly enacted tax rates can legally apply to income earned before the legislation officially commenced, triggering a crucial conversation about legal certainty and the rule of law in fiscal reform. This has been Barlinks News. I'm Jennifer Ogba. Stay tuned for more premium updates.